hot mess, bare face, it is fine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is October 20th, my birthday. So I am going to vlog my little vacation. Hope you guys enjoy and stick around until the very end. Right now I am going to pluck, if it's not focusing. Focus. It's not focusing. I'm gonna pluck my eyebrows and then do my eyes, have to take pictures, and then come back and finish my face. But I'm gonna put you right there. You guys don't need to see this part, but I'm just literally just going to pluck my eyebrows. Excuse the bare face, I just didn't want to get ready. It's supposed to be a vlog, so let's get started with my eyebrows. I don't have tweezers. I have contacts on and they bothering me. Anyways. Guys, I am going to be as detailed as possible. This is like a legit, you know, get ready with me video, but please bear with me. I don't know a lot of the terminology, so I'm gonna do what I gotta do. But you see me here. I hate plucking my eyebrows. It hurts so bad, but we have to get it done, because if not, you don't want to look like Chewbacca. Anyways guys, this is the 24-hour Smashbox eye primer. I absolutely love it, and I am going to start using Lola, the shade, on my as a transition shade. And yeah, this palette is Anastasia Beverly Hills by Master Palette by Mario. I think I said it wrong, but oh well. So I use Claudia for my outer corner. I think I'm saying this terminology right, but y'all get what I'm trying to do here. But yeah, I am just quickly doing my outer corner with a darker color, and then I just start using Kim for the base of my lid. Then I realized I didn't really like how it came out because it wasn't so vibrant, I guess. So I ended up using Fifth Avenue just to, you know, put it on there to make it more shiny, because we want a shiny lid. I was trying to do really like some type of glam for my birthday, but I ended up, as always, doing the basic neutral colors, but that's fine. And then I take Hollywood and put it on my upper lid, or below the eyebrow, I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, you see there. I think that's it. But I just put it on there, and then voila, that's my eyeshadow. I'm using my favorite eyeliner from e.l.f., and it's a liquid eyeliner, and I quickly do my eyeliner. I usually just start with the corner and just, I guess, just go up towards my eyebrow in a way, and then just fill it in, you know, as you see it here. I'm sorry I'm not that great at explaining, but you'll see it better right here. That's exactly what I do, and I find that the easiest for me. I do have hooded eyes, so it's still a struggle doing some eyeliner because sometimes it disappears and I'm like, whoa, I don't know. See, that's me breathing in and out because I'm stressed out because I don't know how to do eyeliner that good. This is my ultimate favorite mascara from Maybelline, and it's also very waterproof. So guys, it takes me a while to actually take it off my eyes, but it's the Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express mascara. I absolutely love this mascara, and it's only $3. So this is when I do my eyebrows, and I do the NYX Duo, and I get the darkest shade and just fill in my eyebrows. As simple as that. I just go naturally, you know, the outline of my eyebrows, and there you go, it's all done. And this little kit duo thing is Moonlight Skinny Dip. I need some more of it because I'm almost running out. And it did last me for a few years, guys, because I don't do makeup as much as I used to, but I absolutely, yeah, you see me. Anyways, so I use foundation Clinique, and this is like the best thing ever. Clinique, definitely a good product if it's good for oily skin, so it's amazing. And I take this really tiny beauty blender and use the concealer also from Clinique and put it under my eyes. And I don't do a lot of concealing because, you know, this girl is flawless. I'm just joking, guys. I just really don't know how to do highlight and contour. I just do the basics. Anyways, I did wet these Bluely blenders, so don't be scared because I did wet these bad boys. And you just see me here just blending blending my life away and getting a tinier one to get closer to my eyebrows because I just did them and I don't want to ruin them. And yeah, guys, I just keep on blending, keep on blending, keep on blending. Blend that, girl, blend it. Oh yeah, some more blending, guys, because I used the Clinique powder and honeymoon or golden. There you go, stay golden, because you always gotta stay golden. You already know. Anyways, I just keep on blending because you don't want to look like a clown. You just keep on blending. You guys, I forgot to tell you, for my eyebrows, I do not conceal. I am sorry, I don't conceal my eyebrows. Mainly because my eyebrows are naturally thicker and darker, so I just fill it in because, I don't want the shadow to, make it lighter. But this is my absolute favorite contouring kit. It's the Cocoa Collection by Kylie Cosmetics, and I absolutely love it. It really matches my skin. Not matches, it's dark but not too dark. It's just a perfect shade. So I just use the Hollywood Boulevard contour, and I also use the I need to be organized. The Rodeo Drive on my cheeks. That's the blush. I used to use the highlighter, and then I ended up using the Lorac, and it's Moonlight, and boom, I'm a highlight queen. Anyways, this is my ultimate favorite lippy, and it's Candy K from Kylie Jenner Cosmetics. I don't know why I did that, but it's absolutely my favorite. This is my second one I bought because I just absolutely love it. I don't know even how to describe the color, but it looks perfect on me, guys. Like, look how cute. Look at, oh yeah. Hey, see, I'm laughing because I can't take myself seriously, but look at that highlight. Kind of see the highlight, right? Look at me. Oh girl, hey, look at eyelashes. All natural. Okay, guys, I am doing my hair right here. I'm doing it quickly. If you guys want to see an in-depth version of how I do my hair, just let me know, because I did my hair really badly today this day, because I was in a rush and realized that I did my makeup too long. So here I am using a toothbrush to try to take out my baby hairs. Who does that? Who uses toothbrushes? I know a lot of you do, so don't be frightened, but I have to. I don't know why. My baby hairs are non-existent, so I have to take them out. And like I said, I didn't do my hair that great today, so if you want an in-depth video of that, just let me know in the comments below. I will greatly do it for you guys. I don't know what I'm talking about, guys. I'm just gonna keep on talking while you guys see me curl my hair with a curling wand, because this is the best thing ever. I can't do a flat iron because my hand coordination, I just would just burn myself. But you see me here just finishing up my hair, guys. I don't know how to talk. Anyways, finishing up my hair. I normally do this much better, but I was on a time crunch, and then there you go. How you doing, girl? Look at how much hair I have. Too much. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so sorry this was my very first get ready with me. If you have any questions, leave me comments below and I got y'all. And I will see you guys in my next video. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, do what you gotta do, because hey girl, how you doing? So cute. Okay, bye.